Artie, you should probably eat some food. Thank you. And then once everyone got their food, we'll consider it. We're running out of fingers for div. Where's Ivan? Let's coagulate his body. Incapacitated, nice, we get to keep him. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. And we'll hold that open. And go for you, go for you. We'd be good. And then there should be no more... Oh, he's got one more death refusal. How about this guy? Ooh, Kylie and Hijinks. What's Hijinks doing? You guys heal up. We need more ghouls. Who's still shooting? Oh, what? Where did this guy come from? They definitely do work. Oh, yeah, we gotta set that to chop. There we go. Is that all we brought? Is that all we have? Yeah. I think that'll be fine. Shambler's easy. Let's put you over here. Oh, is this all the close combat? Oh, this is awesome. Start putting out the fire. You guys can't really do much else. Dead. And you can... Just got back from Vegas. Oh, poor, didn't do so well. You go, you go. Everyone who's injured. Oh wait, I think you're still coagulating him, aren't you? Yeah. We have so much blood. Might as well use it. got this. How did... Oh, did I turn him on and off? Did I? Fire's dangerous. If you can put the fire out here. Really good. And then you're getting close, but we can always res you. You need to put on your goddamn shield belt. Where did that go? You hit the masterwork one. Uh-oh. Chimera, Shambler John, not Shambler John. Alright, Lou, gonna use self-dis. Does he have revival? He does. He's almost dead. These guys are going around. Cows is going after him. You can try to get down here. AG up front. I was hoping fire would be useful, but I think it's actually hurts us more, especially with the 2 vamps. So probably won't use the incendiary again. Ooh, that's a... You just fired at a... Uh-oh. Vampire. Get you out of here. Put you in behind. Oh, can I not see? And we're gonna put... Fresh... Oh, no, sorry. Rotten... And he just died? Oh, that's right. We caught him with like a split second left. Whoa, 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 whoa. You have enough to finish that. Get your ass back here. Of course. Slowly coming. And then we can... Gumpy is using sulfur. Okay. We could do a, let's lob a couple. We're not in the greatest defensive, leaning a little bit off them. Ori, you can come over here as well. Oh, okay, they're gonna go for the security door. What's wrong with this one? Escape. This game fucking snipes. Oh. Oh. Someone just got shot almost. Using self. Okay, no, you guys start firing at these guys. You start firing at this guy. And jump over the fire because you'll get scared. Just keep running. And then where's Ivan? Alright, he's coming. Royal. And then you. Then to Oliver, and then to you. That's mainly, we could use, yeah, we'll do that because I'll level up his shit. But we, yeah, let's do it. Jump packs. Who was researching? He's gonna self-resurrect. Equip the gun so he can't take it. Ivan is fleeing. Oh, there is a fire. He does such a good job at cleaning. Put div. Actually, let's move cows right next to this guy. And you can just go to town on him. Already just got smoked. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, who's got the... I thought... Yeah, you guys stop firing your fire. Do not go outside. Do not go outside. Okay, we're not as strong as I thought we were. It was definitely worrisome. Pardon me. How's it going, DK? Damn, hand cannon's got some range. you to have your shield. Okay, I think we're gonna make a separate one for close combat people. Okay, everyone else has guns here. No, there's some close combat. Would be a good way to wipe. Alright, Kylian. You've already healed up. Artie is 10 to Kylian. And we'll get all our snipers around the other side. However, you, sir, we're going to turn off fire at will, because we don't... Wait, where's your... Nice shot, Div. Alright, these guys are very injured. Here. Just temporarily cut their, so yeah, we'll cut their, and then where is Ivan? It's neat. I'd like to go back sometime. Yeah, dang, this big hall. Yeah, we're getting up there. Lori, teleport cows. Oops. Go, and you no, let's not haul him here. Haul him over there, and we can bury him. Fucking blasted him in the skull. We really don't care about this fire. Please don't just send everybody over here. Ooh, fast walker. I think everyone else is dead, right? Wait. Forgot self-destruct. Alright, and you come here. You come here. Make sure these. And then Lori. Out some of the guys here. And we need to definitely make these into. Sniper as well. Set up here. And we've got 3 hours on the wall. Let's actually move. I think we can kill it. You guys need to do the long shots. Oh shit. 1 hour? They're really close. They got stunned. Lori, let's get her out of here. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Everybody with close combat now. So we'll get everybody to run down here. So self-resurrect, that's fine. And then gear, we'll drop that since it's useless for you. We will use herbal on him. Probably should use herbal on everybody. Oops. And then that's gonna be a huge ass fucking fire now. And then we could res Chop. We do have another res. He is our cleaner. And they're the medic. He lost his right hand. Do I really care about him? I don't want to hit Ivan. You stay. You fire against Noodles. And then you can't really do much here. You fire. You got one hand. Okay, let's go here, get everybody out. Let's bring you up front. Cows. Chop died. Did he get shot in the head? Probably. Ooh. Ooh, that was close. Wait, why is he still firing it? Oh, how? Put you guys here. Boar. Oh, he sniped the guy. Oh shit. That's pretty crazy. How's it going, final? And then already. Oliver. Did he die again? Did we just one tap him? Yeah, he just died again. Those guys can go around the. Okay, you guys should be good now. So you can leave, except for you. Alright, anyone here that's good. And the happy music kicks in, like. Is it for happy? guys up front. Jump behind you. Man, get our 2 snipers. And let's move that. Wait, I don't think the fire went off. We might actually be okay. Show might be in a rude awakening when he comes out of there. We're back alright, alright? And then you, sir. You guys are pretty damaged, so I might... Who's this guy? 2 hours. Night Owl, body modder, construction, and mining. Just consume you. Don't consume the pig. Oh, she doesn't have enough energy. Do we have a Insanity Lance? We do. Who's down? I want to do that. Prissy is getting... We back up. Yeah, it's you get ready to beat the shit out of this guy. How come we can't hit these guys? Oh, I think these guys are all loyal. Death refusal. Yeah, he's just gonna die. And you're just gonna die. Yeah. No tough trait. Nope. Alright, you can rescue him. And cows, come over here. What? Are we full of bodies again? Oh, whoops. Back up here. Ooh. Go, 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 go. And then... Oh, no, never mind. He's... And those guys are going over that way. Okay, so let's send our Kylian. Choked down here, caught, can come grab, and then you Lori's got the wall, right? We block. Back up, back up, back up, back up. through the heart. I need longer range weapons. Okay, let's get you. Ooh. Oh, shit, they're already here? No, he died. And then you guys killed him too. Get your ass over here. We'll come back over here and grab that. I don't know if snipers are that great. They're good for very specific things, but I'm gonna start. Oh. Let's get the guys with shields up front. Ooh, I don't know if I can get you. Ooh, that's not what you want to do. Oh, he went down. Oh, he's back up. The old switcheroo. Get at it. Oh, he's back down. Position. Let's do, you stop here. Lori, Div. Put you here. And you guys all came up. Fuck. Should I resin? There we go. Oh. Wait, 3 more? Oh, the fire burned out this one, so they will come back. That's good to know. That's actually a better spot, too. Oh no, he's dead. And he's dead. Backside. Artie, you can self-tend. Tend to Artie. Cows, keep going after you. He's dead. Let's put you on him. So he stops shooting.